All right, for today's lesson, you're going to need paper, pencil, your tap mat, the sugar tray, and an O and A card, or O and A cards, different cards. Okay, so we're going to start off, we're still doing our L blends. So we have our SL, FL, GL, BL, and PL blends, okay? I'm going to put them back in my stack. All right. Okay, let's sound it. L, bull, k, z, w, z, sl, w, qu, y, a, pull, d, I, full, j, f, gl, k, a, sh, b, g, t, p, ch, f, z, s, k, Good job. You notice I go pretty fast with that. That is because they should know these letters with automaticity. That means, they don't have to think about it. They've got it. Okay, so we are going to start off blending. Let's go. K, call, gul, glow, gul, gluck, gul, gluck, gul, gloss, gul, gloss, oz, fuzz, foth, joth, whoops, jith, full, flith, nith, itch, niche, ditch. I want to pause real quick because in class we do teach students that a real word might come up on the blending board that it sounds, all of the phonetic sounds make it a word. Like ditch is a word. However, we know that later we'll learn how to spell them correctly. So sometimes we realize that words might come up on the blending board that we pronounce the exact same as a real word, but it's spelled differently. And we do teach that in class, and we will get to that as we get to some of our skills. Dip, dip, mip, pull, plip, pull up, plop, yop, up, quap, up, slop. Ooh, real word too. Slip, zip, whip, vip, rip, wrap, rat, cat, hat, hag, blag, lag, egg, leg, leb, lesh, sesh. Good job. Now we're going to do our auditory section of the lesson, And what we do with the sand trays is it's important for the students as they're writing their letters, they're saying their letters, and then they're going to underline it and say the sound that they make, okay? They should be familiar with how this works. So fingers up. Write the 2 letters that make the soul sound. S, L, soul. Good job. Shake, shake, shake. Write the 3 ways you can make the k sound. C, K, C, K. Good job. Stop it. Shake, shake, shake. Write the 2 letters that make the sh sound. S, H, sh. Shake, shake, shake. Write the letter that makes the ah sound. O, ah. Shake, shake, shake. Write the 2 letters that make the qu sound. Q, U, qu. Good job. All right, for this portion of the lesson, we call this the vowel intensive, and we're going to focus on 2 vowel sounds, ah and ah, and it's going to be in a word, and this, your child is going to be listening for it in the word, and they're going to decide which sound they hear in the word. So I always tell them, put their cards down first, and then they're going to listen for the word, and then they're going to decide which card should go up, okay? Our first word, plot. Say it, plot. Good job. Next word, slam. Say it. Good job. Map. Flag. Shot. Hop. Sat. Chop. Snob. Good job. All right, for this portion of the lesson, we are going to review the red words that we've previously learned. If your child is unable to recall the name of the word, this might be something that afterwards you might have them load it and tap it. That means they would load the word, say it, and then they would spell the word to tap it and spell it. That helps with recall. So that's something that you can keep an eye out for, okay? All right, let's say it. Why? Here. Any. Your. If you got all 4 of those words right, give me a thumbs up. All right, we are at the dictation portion of this lesson. So I will say the words, your child will say the words, we'll pound the word, and then we will tap the word, and then your child will write the word. I'll give a short pause, and I'll give the next word, okay? All right, first word, bled. Say it, bled. Pound it, bled. Tap it, bull-ed. Bled. Write it. Next word, glass. Say it, glass. Pound it, glass. Tap it, gl-ass. Glass. Write it. Next word, plug. Say it, plug. Pound it, plug. Tap it, pull-a-g. Plug. Write it. Last word, blab. Say it, blab. Pound it, blab. Tap it, bull-ab. Blab. have a sentence. Now, our students know that our sentences have several red words in them, and if it's a red word, it isn't necessarily a word they can tap out, but if it has a word that has our skill for the week, so if it has an L blend word, that is a word that they absolutely can tap out to figure out how to spell, okay? Our sentence, so when I give a dictation sentence, I will say the sentence twice. Your child will say the sentence twice. We'll pound it once, and then they'll write it, okay? All right. Our sentence is, do not let your flag slip. Do not let your flag slip. Say it with me. Do not let your flag slip. Again, do not let your flag slip. Let's pound it. Do not let your flag slip. Write it. All right, first we want to read the words and the sentence, and then we'll go back and we'll check. Our first word was bled, glass, plug, blab. And our sentence was, do not let your flag slip. Now I want you to check, did you use the right L blends? Did you start your sentence with a capital letter and end with punctuation? I want you to look and see if you got all of your red words right in this sentence. If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. If you got all of your L blend words right, give yourself a round of applause. Good job.